Hey, welcome to TS Designs. We're going to cover creating your first or perfecting your post for your gallery style websites. So the first thing we see is this is a post. It's got a title up here as well as it's got the post content right here. And the way we set this one up is we actually put a next page button on it. We split it into two pages. So this is the first page of the content, and you see it starts on number 4 and then continues to count down to number 1 when really it started at 9. So counted down. Split up on two pages. But either way, we're going to show you. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your dashboard and click on Post on the left hand side. So you're here at the dashboard, you're going to click Post on the left hand side, and it brings up your post. So currently from this position you can look at I have 4 published posts, I have 1 drafted post and 1 in the trash that we can't see. And here I can do whatever I want. Like, so for this one I'm just going to trash this. In your situation, you don't want to trash anything just yet. We just want to add new, which is right here at the top. But if you do want to edit one of these, you could just simply click on the blue link here, or you could hit the edit button. So for this tutorial, we're going to click add new. We're going to add a title, like I said. Title here, and your title can be whatever. Alright, so for the post content, the easiest way to do this, just so you don't get any errors or issues, is I like to go into the text editor. So you have visual and text here. Visual looks the same as text, except for this bar switches up a little bit. When you're in the text editor, then it's going to upload the images the way you need in a more proficient manner. So from there, what I like to do is either copy my content in here. Let's say I do this. I'm going to paste that in there, and literally I could click publish. Now if I wanted to view this, I just view the post, and I can see exactly what this looks like. So I've got my title here, and I've got my text down here. Pretty simple, right? So that was your first post. Now if I click on the home page, I notice that my featured image is blank, and I really didn't select a category for it. So let's go back. You're going to go to posts, make sure that you're editing the right post by clicking on it. And then this time we want to select a few categories, or one category that it would fall in. Let's say luxury, news, it's not a video. And then also setting this featured image. So this is the featured image that you want to show to represent the whole thing. I'm just going to pick one. Let's just pick for S and Giggles. Let's use something appropriate, huh? Awesome, so this is going to be my featured image now. Now, when I look at the home page, my article should have that as my main image. So here it is, your title here. This will be my main image. Now, still, when you look at the post, that doesn't mean it's going to be inside your post. So I still have no images inside the post. So if we were to think about that, you could go back, and then this time I'm just going to add some media. I put a blank line up here, and add media. I can either use things I've already uploaded, or I can upload file, select the file from my desktop there. I'm going to select the link to none, and then the size here, I can select the size. I always do the full size and insert into post. Now I'm in text, so it's going to all show me all this text, this ugly code. If I were to switch it over to visual, it'll show me the visualization of that. So I see my image, then my text. That's perfect. I'm going to click update. And now my post looks like this. This is exactly how I wanted it, right? So it's pretty simple. A couple of tricks and tips here are, if you're in visual, yes, you can use some of these tools. I want to center this image. Maybe I want to link this image to Google. I don't really want to do that. Technically, I don't want to link my images to anything, so I like to click on them once and unlink them, just to make sure it's not going to link to anything else when you click on it. Now, I did center this image. Something else I might do is, let's say at the top of this image, I just put another enter space, so I could type in image description here. Now what I like to do is I like to take this to another level, toggle a toolbar, and I can actually change my formatting. So this tag at the top will be an H4, like you see me change there, a little bit bigger than this body paragraph text. But let's say you wanted to dress some of this up too, maybe make that bold and red. you can do that. Maybe have a link in there, and here, hit the link button. This is your add link, and I'll just click update. Let's see what we're left with. So from the home page, it looks like this, still the same thing. When I click on it, image description here, I've got, this is the title that I did, you know, just inside. Above my image, I can do that wherever. I see my red here, I see a link here, and then my text. And let me show you one more trick when we're working with gallery styles, and this one's important. Is this code I'm actually going to put in the details of the description, but there's a code that we can put to start a different section. So it's this next page code. Like I said, I'll put it in the details of the description. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in between these two big paragraphs. Easy. I'm going to click update. What that's going to do is it's going to put the stuff on this one in the first page and put the stuff on this one in the second page. And remember, we're in the text editor still. If you were to put this in the visual editor, what's going to happen is you're going to see this on the page. So you'll see your paragraph, your image, you'll see this word with these dashes and stuff. And you know, that's what it's going to do. It's going to show you the coding instead of actually do the coding. So make sure you're in text, make sure you update. Go back over to the post and see what it did. So here, remember, we stop at lectus is what we're looking for. It should stop at lectus and then bring our more content to the next page, making them click number 2. And then this is the second page. Remember, it had no image, it just had one paragraph of text. So that's going to be your perfect post. Enjoy. We'll see you next time.